Good day friends, today I bought a Sony CyberShot camera. The model number is DSC-H100 and the features it has is 16.1 megapixel and 21x optical zoom and 720 pixel high definition movie, and also it has a 3 inches LCD screen, and it has intelligent auto mode photo, and also it has a 360-degree panorama view. And the accessories, it has got an 4 alkaline AA batteries and one dedicated USB cable and shoulder strap, and also it has a lens cap. And what else it has? It has an optional accessories which is LCD projector screen and one soft carrying case and one tripod which is optional. I'm gonna open the box. So here is instructions on how to use the camera, some warranty information, here is the camera Sony. So it's a 21x optical zoom. I'm gonna take out the batteries. Sorry, I'm taking a while here. So here is the one, and what else it has strap and lens cap, and it has an USB cable, and it has an also compatible of Windows XP with Service Pack 3 and Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well. So here is it, and good luck, and give it a go, and thanks for watching it.